How much value does transportation add to your product or service? Minimum to none. Let's talk about transportation as one of the 8 waste in Six Sigma. Are you tired of transportation waste costing your business time and money? Do you want to improve your efficiency and customer satisfaction? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will dive into the world of transportation waste and explore how you can reduce it using Six Sigma principles. By the end of this video, you'll better understand why transportation waste is a problem, how it affects your business, and what you can do to overcome it. So let's get started and optimize your transportation processes today. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this channel where we talk about inventory management, policies and procedures, and planning. Transportation is one of the 8 waste identified by Six Sigma. This waste can occur in any process from moving raw materials to transporting finished goods to customers. Including transportation as a waste in Six Sigma highlights the importance of minimizing movement and optimizing the flow of materials and products to increase efficiency and reduce cost. There are several reasons why transportation is included as waste in Six Sigma. 1, transportation adds no value to a product or service. It is simply a means of moving items from one place to another. Therefore, any transportation that is not necessary is considered wasteful. 2, transportation is a cost that can be eliminated or reduced by optimizing the flow of materials and products. Companies can save money on fuel, labor, and other related costs by reducing transportation. 3, transportation can lead to delays, damage, and loss of products, which can negatively impact customer satisfaction and increase cost. There are many reasons why transportation waste can occur. One reason is that companies often have insufficient processes for moving materials and products. For example, a company may have to move materials from one department to another or from one warehouse to another. This movement can add unnecessary time and cost to the process. Another reason for transportation waste is that companies often have too much inventory. This inventory can take up space, and it can also lead to the unnecessary movement of materials. For example, a company may not have a clear understanding of the needs of its customers. This can lead to company producing products that are not needed or that are not in the right place at the right time. Many things can be done to reduce transportation waste. One thing that companies can do is to improve their processes for moving materials and products. This can be done by streamlining the process and using more efficient transportation methods. For example, a company may reduce the time it takes to move materials from one department to another using a more efficient conveyor system. Another thing that companies can do to reduce transportation waste is to reduce their inventory levels. This can be done by improving their forecasting methods and working more closely with their suppliers. For example, a company may reduce its inventory levels by working with its suppliers to deliver materials on a just-in-time basis, JIT. Finally, companies can reduce transportation waste by improving communication between departments or organizations. This can be done by creating a more collaborative environment and using more effective communication tools. For example, a company may be able to reduce transportation waste by creating a shared database that all departments can access. Companies can improve their efficiency, cost, and customer service by reducing transportation waste. Here are some additional tips for reducing transportation waste. Consolidate shipments whenever possible. Locate your facilities closer to your customers. Use inventory management systems to track your inventory levels and prevent overproduction. Implement a just-in-time delivery system. Improve communication between departments and organizations to ensure that materials are moved in the most efficient manner possible. Use reusable containers. This can help reduce the amount of waste generated by transportation. Pack materials efficiently. This can help reduce the amount of space required for transportation. Use sustainable transportation methods. This can help to reduce the environmental impact of transportation. Track transportation cost. This can help you to identify areas where transportation costs can be reduced. Set goals for reducing transportation waste. This can help you to stay on track and make progress towards your goals. You can reduce transportation waste and improve your overall business performance. Here are some examples of how companies have reduced transportation waste. Amazon has reduced its transportation waste by consolidating shipments and using more efficient modes of transportation. Walmart has reduced its transportation waste by locating its stores closer to its suppliers and using a JIT, just-in-time delivery system. UPS has reduced transportation waste by using more fuel-efficient vehicles and optimizing its delivery routes. So this was years ago, and I don't know if it's true or not, but this is what I know. UPS commissioned a study to be done. I don't know if it was internal or external firm, but the study was to develop strategies to save time and money. Time is money. So the report came back. It was a very bulky report, but the number one money saver, the number one time saver was for their routes to never take left-hand turns. And that is so simple, but yet so brilliant. If you can design a system to where you took right-hand turns 100% of the time, that would be amazing. Now, 100% of the time is out of the question, but even 90% or 80% of the time, that would be phenomenal. Left-hand turns is always time consuming. Not all lights have a left-hand turn signal, so you get to save time there. Saving time there means a reduction in their engine running, which means less gas. So think about that. Sometimes the simplest of ideas can make a big difference with the company. Now let's return back. These are just a few examples of how companies have reduced transportation waste. Companies need to optimize the flow of materials and products to reduce transportation waste. This can be achieved through a variety of strategies, such as implementing a lean supply chain. A lean supply chain focuses on minimizing waste and maximizing value by streamlining processes and reducing the steps in getting a product or service to the customer. This can be achieved through JIT, where materials are delivered to your facility only when needed, and pull systems where customers' demand rather than forecast drive production. Companies can also explore alternative transportation methods, such as rail or sea transport, which may be more efficient and cost-effective than road transport. Improving packaging. Poor packaging can damage or lose products during transportation, increasing cost and reducing customer satisfaction. Companies can reduce transportation waste by using better packaging materials and designs that protect products during transport and reduce the need for additional packaging or handling. Collaborating with suppliers and customers. Collaboration with suppliers and customers can help to reduce transportation waste by optimizing delivery schedules and routes. This can be achieved through initiatives such as a vendor managed inventory (VMI) and collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment (CPFR), which involves sharing information and coordinating process to optimize the flow of materials and products. Implementing technology. Technology can optimize transportation routes and schedules, reduce delivery times, and track products during transit. Companies can use GPS tracking, route optimization software, and real-time inventory management systems to reduce transportation waste and improve efficiency. In conclusion, transportation waste is an important aspect of Six Sigma, and companies need to focus on optimizing transportation to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction. By implementing strategies such as lean supply chains, reducing transportation distance, improving packaging, collaborating with suppliers and customers, and implementing technology, companies can reduce transportation waste and improve their overall performance. By doing so, they can become more competitive, increase profitability, and provide better value to their customers. Always remember, the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line.
From all us at creating a better version and
No one plans to fail. We appreciate you watching until the end.
If you have found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of new videos. We concentrate on inventory management, policies and procedures, and planning. Again, thank you.